Hello everyone, welcome to our class. In today's lecture, we will discuss about detailed structure of plasma membrane. The widely accepted model, fluid mosaic model, we will discuss in detail. So, let's start with it. Plasma membrane. Now, every cell is externally covered by a very thin elastic regenerative and selectively permeable. Every cell externally covered by a membrane which is thin, microscopic in nature, electron microscopic, elastic, regenerative and selectively permeable. That is called a plasma membrane. This plasma membrane can be named as cell membrane too. We can call it as cell membrane, plasma membrane. Fine. Now, in a cell, other than this external covering, the membrane which are enclosing different organelles, they are also help in forming a boundary to those structures. So collectively, plasma membrane which is externally present and the membranes which present internally into the cell are termed as biomembranes. Got it? Collectively, all the membranes present in a living system are termed as biomembranes. Now, when we talk about the structure of plasma membrane, different scientists, they proposed different models to explain the structure of the plasma membrane. Okay, there was a sandwich model proposed by Daniel and Davison. It states that the two layers were there. In between them, the lipid layers are placed as same as that of the sandwich. Another model was there proposed by Robertson, the unit membrane model, which state that all the membranes are structurally similar. Fine, statements were correct. But the detailed explanation about the structure, arrangement of the molecules in the plasma membrane were explained by the two well-known scientists, Singer and Nicholson. In 1972, they proposed a model which explained the structure of the plasma membrane, that is fluid mosaic model. What this model say? This model explain the fluid nature of the plasma membrane. It states what? That the plasma membrane is not fixed. It is somewhat fluid, not completely fluid. It is somewhat fluid. Okay? For that, one term is used, that is quasi-fluid nature of plasma membrane. Quasi-fluid means somewhat jelly-like, somewhat fluid. ठीक है, सेमी फ्लूइड इट इज. So that semi-fluid nature is because of the lipids which present in the structure of plasma membrane, and this quasi-fluid nature of plasma membrane allow the lateral movement of the molecules of the proteins within the structure of the plasma membrane. Okay, what it is going to do, this quasi-fluid nature of the lipid, as I have told you ki quasi-fluid means semi-fluid, and this is because of the lipids. This enable the lateral movement of the proteins. Okay, this will allow the lateral movement of the proteins within the bilayer of the lipids. Transitional movement हो गई, that is done with the help of the moving molecules of lipid. Means what? That the molecules of lipid, they are able to move. Okay, if they are moving in this way, so the proteins, they are also going to be moved. Fine. So this is because these lipids are moving. With the help of these lipids, the proteins are also कि एक के साथ वो भी साथ में movement show कर रहे हैं. They are moving within the layer of the lipid. Fine. And what significance this fluid nature provide? We'll discuss that also. हाँ जी. Significance of fluid nature of plasma membrane. As it is fluid in nature, like as I've told you that the semi-fluid nature is there of the plasma membrane, so it help in cell growth, okay, for making the cellular junctions, for endocytosis. Okay, cellular junctions are for interaction with other cells. It will help with to form the interactions with other cells. Okay, and the cell division. So in this way many functions are performed because of the fluid nature of the plasma membrane. Now this fluidity is exactly what? Like it's not completely solid, not completely like water like. Semi-fluid nature, quasi-fluid means semi-fluid. So somewhat like जैसे oil की consistency होती है ना, that kind of a fluidity is there. So that is because of the lipids. So the Singer and Nicholson, they told about this fluidity is allowing, we can say, or due to the fluidity, the movement is there of the lipid molecules along with the protein molecules. So this can be, the movement can be transition, the movement can be flip flop. Okay, we'll see what is this flip flop and transition movement. So that we will discuss when we talk about the structure of the plasma membrane. Before that, we'll talk about the chemical composition. Chemical composition of plasma membrane. Chemically, it is made up of lipids. Okay? It is composed of lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, okay, along with the cholesterol molecule. Now, depend upon like where, what kind of cell it is, what kind of function it is going to perform, the ratio of the lipid proteins are going to vary into the cell. Got it? It can be like protein can be 60%, rest 40% can be lipids. It totally depends upon the function and the nature of the cell. So generally, the lipid which is present, the lipids are responsible for what particular purpose? They are providing the fluidity. So in the cell, in the plasma membrane, the lipids which are present can be phospholipids. Okay? What they can be? Phospholipids can be there in the structure of plasma membrane. Phospholipids can be there. Then glycolipids can be there. Okay? Sterols can be there. Cholesterol, na? Sterols can be there. Proteins. Now, proteins are responsible for providing mechanical strength to the plasma membrane first. Second, the movement of molecules across the membranes are also facilitated by these protein channels present होंगे, carrier proteins present होंगे. So movement of molecules में भी ये help करेंगे. ठीक है? Fine. Other than that, the proteins which are present in the plasma membrane is of two types. The first is the proteins which are present outward. Okay? They are the extrinsic protein. Okay, they are the extrinsic proteins. Then we can have intrinsic proteins. Okay, extrinsic protein, intrinsic protein, which present on periphery or externally, integrated into the lipid bilayer. ठीक है, लिपिड की बाइलेयर के अंदर ही प्रेजेंट होते हैं. फाइन. नाउ carbohydrate, oligosaccharides are present in this. Carbohydrates, oligosaccharides near about 1 to 2%. ठीक है, 1 to 2% of carbohydrates are present. Fine. And in the plasma membrane, they are present in linked form with proteins as a glycoprotein and with the lipids as a glycolipids. In that form, they are present in the plasma membrane structure. Okay? Next chemical which is present in the membrane is cholesterol, which is not present in the membrane of the bacteria. Cholesterol. Now, what this cholesterol is going to do? Cholesterol act as a buffer. to maintain the fluid nature of the plasma membrane, to maintain the fluidity. It won't allow the membrane to be more fluid and not allowed to be more stiff. It maintain the nature, that is the quasi fluid nature, stable रखता है उसको. This is all about the chemical composition of plasma membrane. Now we will talk about fluid mosaic model. Okay. Fluid mosaic model is what? Mosaic means when some small things have been collected together and used to construct some big thing. ठीक है, छोटी छोटी चीजों को इकट्ठा करके एक साथ लाकर कुछ कंस्ट्रक्ट करना, दैट इज मोज़ैक. ठीक है. Fluid, that we know that they are not fixed, they are showing some movement. Fluid. This model states that the proteins, they are floating in the sea of lipids. Right? The proteins, they are floating in the sea of lipids, as same that of like the sugar syrup and the rasgullas. The rasgullas are the proteins and the sugar syrup are the lipids, in that way. Okay. So we'll draw the structure and we'll talk about it detail. Here, first we'll talk about this molecule. Now this is a single molecule of phospholipid. This is a molecule of phospholipid. This group is of the phosphate, which is hydrophilic. Fine. This is the head part and this is the tail part. Tail is the lipid part. Okay. This is hydrophobic. It means water hating, this molecule. So what I was telling, that the moment we were discussing now, what is about that moment? If this is a layer of lipid, right? Two layers. One is this layer, another is this layer. So this is bilayer. So how it will show the transition movement and how it will show flip-flop, we'll see that. If this molecule is going to change with this and this will come over here. Okay, this type of movement within the layer, इसी layer में, first वाली layer में ही अगर molecules अपनी position change कर रहे हैं, that is called transition moment. That is called transition moment of lipid molecules. ठीक है, this will be within the same layer. Got it? If this molecule is going to change its position with this one in between two layers, ठीक है, इस और इस लेयर के बीच में अगर मॉलिक्यूल्स आपस में अपनी पोजीशन चेंज कर रहे हैं, फ्लिप फ्लॉप, ठीक है, पलट रहे हैं एक दूसरे को, एक उसकी जगह पलट के दूसरे खुद आ गया, सो दैट इज अ फ्लिप फ्लॉप मोमेंट. दिस इज फ्लिप flop in between two layers. Okay, so this type of movement maintain the fluidity, or that is responsible for the fluid nature of the plasma membrane. Here we'll draw the structure.
चाबी कहाँ है?
उसके ऊपर रखी हुई है
इसकी।
स्लैब के ऊपर। आरो वाली स्लैब पे। Now this is the structure of what? Plasma membrane. If this is a plasma membrane, so we are observing this much of the section under the electron microscope, then we are able to see this kind of arrangement in the plasma membrane. So this is a bilayer of lipid. So this is a lipid bilayer. And which type of lipids are these? Phospholipid bilayer. Phosphate group and the lipid. So phospholipid bilayer. And these red, जितने भी यहाँ पे red color के structures बने हुए हैं, all are the proteins. So the proteins which are present on the membrane externally, they are extrinsic protein. And as they are present externally, so their separation, their extraction can be easily done. Okay, this molecule is of the cholesterol. Okay, this protein which is completely fit in between the layer of the lipid molecule is going to form a channel. This is the pore through which the molecules can cross. Which type of molecules? Water soluble can easily cross the membrane through these channels. So these proteins help in forming the gated channels. Okay? They help act as a carrier protein also, which help in the movement of molecule. So these proteins which are internally fit into the membrane are integral proteins or intrinsic proteins. Okay? Integral proteins. Fine. As you can see, the structure is attached to the lipid structure. Lipid के molecule से attach है. So these are glycolipids. Here, the carbohydrate is attached with the protein. So this is glycoprotein. So this is the complete structure of plasma membrane, which was explained in fluid mosaic model. Clear? So this much. In next lecture, we will talk about the functions of plasma membrane.